Greetings, people. This is Pink Frock Yellow Boots from Behavior. We work towards achieving holistic health for everybody. Have you heard of the term overthinking? Do you know any overthinker? How do you perceive the term overthinking? To me, overthinking is thinking about something again and again. When we speak of this term, mostly it is associated to a trait that is not so good for your health, not so good for yourself. In short, it is a term used for people who are only thinking and doing nothing. But isn't it the fact? When we speak of overthinking, it only states that you are thinking about something over and over again, which isn't either good or bad. It becomes a concern when you are just thinking and doing nothing. Thinking over and over about something is a good fact if you are trying to analyze and see different perspectives of it. If you are capable of overthinking, if you are somebody who can think of something again and again, do that in a wise manner. We always take our traits as negative, positive, strength, and weakness. But the point is, they are just traits. Overthinking, being one of them, can be utilized to its best when you understand it. Overthinking is never a problem. The problem is that you just keep thinking and do nothing about it and don't reach to a conclusion out of it. A few scenarios if we take overthinking about the past. Think about it. Think about it from all perspectives, not just for yourself, all angles, not just for yourself, but everything involved and every situation or circumstances that was present there. Understand what happened, why it happened, and what you could have done better. We all do that, right? After an argument, we are like, we could have said this thing regardless, or this thing over this thing. But then, when we are in situation, we always do what we consider the best at that moment. We give our best in that moment. It is after the situation is over that you realize there could have been something better. But in that moment, that was the best you could, and you did that. Don't beat down yourself or don't overpride yourself for something like that. Only when you are thinking again, analyze it, learn your lessons, praise yourself for the good you did, and let the lesson stay with you, or let the experience stay with you, rather than constantly overthinking, because at the end, anything from the past you have no power to change. You might have the power to rectify it later, but you don't have the power to change it. Next, we think a lot about what we want to do, be it in a relationship, in an exam, in an office environment, in a certain situation, circumstances. But overthinking is only when you are thinking of different perspectives, different things that you can go through, and how they might end. Make your best choice out of it and do it, or choose whether it is wise to do it or not, and stick to the decision that you make. Trust yourself enough to make a wise decision, and if it doesn't end as you desired, go for something else the next time. Learn your lesson, like I said, from the past. Next is overthinking about the future. Think. The future is not yet here, the action is not yet to be taken. So you can only come to a basics preparation of what you would be doing if a certain things happen. It is never about if something happened, what if this happens, what if that would go. That is not something that you can control. What you can control is trusting yourself to be well prepared, trusting yourself to get over whatever it is, trusting yourself to break through any situation and triumph. So, overthinking, don't beat yourself to that word. Take that word and make it your strength. Wishing everybody a very happy and healthy time ahead and a safe, sound, anxiety less period of life.